Cardano staking is so profitable, it's attracted large pool groups that farm the staking rewards at scale. These groups operate 2 or more pools, sometimes more than 60. Pool groups slow down decentralization and focus on extracting from the network, some with low pledges and high fees, without investing back into the future of Cardano. Independent single pools provide the same staking rewards, all while contributing back to the ecosystem. Mission-driven pools give to the global community through verified donations and advocacy. Developer pools write the applications that make Cardano flourish. Some run entirely off solar panels or Raspberry Pis. They promote African, women, gay, lesbian, transgender, and other minorities. And most of all, they help make Cardano the most decentralized blockchain network. Secure the future and value of Cardano by delegating to your local independent staking pool.